gonna how to make the cookies of the Pork Express characters. This this is the this is Chris, Hero Boy. He's adult and child. He's a superhero who helps these kids. Billy the lonely boy. Holly the girl. They're on the train with the conductor to the North Pole on the Christmas Eve night field trip. And this is Emily, Hero Boy's sister. To make them, you need to have sugar dough and use a rolling and flour. After put in the oven and then pull them up when they're ready. The pictures are on the marshmallows, and before you put the it's called Fondant marshmallow. First, you have to put this white icing on. On the you have to cut the shape. A gingerbread person. Then after you draw the characters with these markers and color them. Their clothes they're wearing. If you didn't know what they look like, look and use the movie it will help.